Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikesh, and in this video I will show you how to print English alphabet F. Okay, so first to print the F for row in range 7 and for call in range 5 and in my if condition let me pass this print. I have to print the star and I don't want to change the line. Instead of change the line, just print a and with a space. Okay, and my else condition is simply print means and with a space. I i have given double space. Okay, and after that come out. I have to come out from my inner loop and I have to change the line. To change the line I simply use print. So this is the format. Now I will show you my logic. So simply if call is equal to 0 means in first column or row is equal to 0, then also print, or row equal to 3, then also print, and all not equal to, this time I have to provide. So now it's look like more a f. So this is the logic, and thank you for watching this video.